Have you ever heard of an animal that looks like a mix between a zebra, a giraffe, and a horse, yet is none of them? Deep in the dense rainforests of Central Africa lives a mysterious and rare creature called the Okapi. Known as the forest giraffe, this shy and elusive animal has fascinated scientists and adventurers for more than a century. In today's video, we're exploring 10 interesting facts about the Okapi, a creature so secretive that many people outside its homeland had no idea it existed until the early 1900s. By the end, you'll see why this unusual mammal is one of the most extraordinary species on Earth. Fact 1. The Okapi is the giraffe's closest relative. At first glance, you might think the Okapi is related to zebras because of its black and white striped legs, but in reality, the Okapi is the closest living relative of the giraffe. Both belong to the family Giraffidae. They share similar body structures, including long tongues, large ears, and a unique way of walking where the front and back legs on the same side move together. Unlike giraffes, Okapis don't have extremely long necks, but they still carry the same number of neck vertebrae as giraffes, just shorter and sturdier. This makes them living proof of how evolution creates diversity within a family of animals. Fact 2. They are endemic to the Congo rainforest. The Okapi is found only in one place on Earth, the Democratic Republic of the Congo in Central Africa. They inhabit dense rainforests where thick vegetation offers cover and food. Because of their shy nature and camouflage, Okapis are rarely seen in the wild. In fact, their elusive behavior has earned them the nickname the African unicorn. Their limited distribution makes them especially vulnerable to threats like deforestation and hunting, but it also highlights how unique and precious they are to the Congo's ecosystems. Fact 3. The Okapi was unknown to science until 1901. For centuries, local communities in the Congo knew about the Okapi. However, the outside world considered it a legend, dismissing early reports of a mysterious forest zebra. It wasn't until 1901 that British explorer Sir Harry Johnston obtained Okapi skins and bones, finally proving the animal's existence to the Western scientific community. The discovery shocked zoologists, who realized they had overlooked a large mammal hiding in Africa's forests. Today, the Okapi is a symbol of mystery and discovery, proof that the natural world still holds secrets. Fact 4. Okapis have long, purple-blue tongues. One of the Okapi's most fascinating features is its tongue, which can grow up to 18 inches long and is colored purple or bluish-black. They use it to strip leaves, buds, and fruits from trees. The tongue is so flexible it can clean their own eyes and ears. It is prehensile, meaning it works almost like a hand to grab food. This remarkable tongue is also a clear connection to their giraffe relatives, who use their own long tongues to reach high branches. Fact 5. Striped legs are camouflage, not zebra traits. The Okapi's most striking feature is its zebra-like stripes on the legs and hindquarters, but these stripes aren't for show, they serve a survival purpose. In dense rainforests, the stripes break up the outline of the animal's body, providing camouflage among tree trunks and dappled light. Young calves use the stripes to follow their mothers through the forest, like a natural guidance system. So while they may look like zebras, the stripes are an adaptation to life in the forest, not an indication of close relation. Fact 6. They are extremely shy and solitary. Okapis are solitary animals, spending most of their lives alone. Males and females come together only for breeding. They are most active during the day, but also move at dawn and dusk. Okapis rely on their large ears to detect predators, which include leopards. If threatened, they slip silently into the dense undergrowth, blending into the shadows. Their elusive behavior makes them very difficult to study in the wild, and much of what we know comes from captive individuals. Fact 7. Okapi calves have a unique hiding strategy. Okapi mothers give birth to a single calf after a gestation period of about 14 to 16 months. But unlike many other hoofed mammals, Okapi calves do not immediately follow their mothers around. Instead, the mother hides her newborn in the undergrowth, where the calf lies quietly for weeks at a time. The calf doesn't defecate for the first month, which helps avoid attracting predators with scent. This hiding strategy is essential for survival in dense forests and shows how adapted okapis are to their environment. Fact 8. They play a key role in the ecosystem. Okapis are browsers, meaning they feed on leaves, shoots, ferns, fungi, and fruits. By doing this, they 1. Help shape the forest vegetation, 2. Disperse seeds through their droppings, supporting plant regeneration, 3. Provide food indirectly for predators higher up the chain. As a result, the okapi is considered an umbrella species. Protecting it helps preserve large areas of rainforest and all the species that live there. Fact 9. They are the national symbol of the DRC. The okapi is so important to the Congo that it appears on official seals, emblems, and currency. The Okapi Wildlife Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, was established to protect them and covers about 13,700 square kilometers of rainforest. This highlights the cultural and ecological significance of the okapi to the nation and the world. Fact 10. Okapis are endangered. Despite their protected status, okapis face serious threats. Deforestation for logging and agriculture reduces their habitat. Hunting and poaching target them for meat and skins. Civil unrest in parts of the Congo has disrupted conservation efforts. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN, lists the okapi as endangered, with populations declining. Zoos and conservation programs worldwide are working to safeguard the species, but protecting their rainforest home is the most critical step. Because the okapi is such an extraordinary animal, here are a few extra details you might not know. Okapis walk in a unique gait, moving both legs on one side at the same time, just like giraffes. Their fur is velvety and oily, helping repel water in the humid rainforest. Calves can grow rapidly, doubling their weight within the first month. Although secretive, okapis communicate with low-frequency sounds, some of which humans cannot hear. The okapi is truly one of nature's hidden treasures, an animal that combines the elegance of the giraffe with the mystery of the rainforest. From its zebra-like stripes to its long purple tongue, everything about the okapi tells the story of adaptation, survival, and uniqueness. Which of these okapi facts surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more amazing animal discoveries from around the world.